Alright guys, we're totally in a new update. Trust me right now. I'm really in a new update. And with these guys right here. And hey, what's up?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Yeah, guys, this is definitely the new update. Let's go find Slender Man.
Yeah, this is the new update, guys.
They added a new monster in here. They also added a new map.
Everybody, the monsters
over there.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go over there. Ooh, a cookie, by the way. Oh. Well, I shouldn't have did that. Can you come here? It's actually a cookie, trust.
Whoa. Put your hand up. I'll go shoot you, okay? I'll save you.
Anyways, guys, they added a boombox? They added the boombox back, guys. They removed it for a while ago. Hey, why don't you remove it? Why did I get removed? Why did I remove this map and they brought it back, bro? I think they probably missed Old Animal Company so much.
Yeah, they missed
They brought Old Animal Company.
Definitely. Okay, guys, let's go find Slender Man.
It was just a joke, guys. This is actually Old Animal Company with these goobers right here, and yeah, this isn't actually.
I'm not a goober, bro. I'm literally a nerd, bro. I'm literally a nerd.
Scream in the camera if you're a nerd. Let's go to Slender Man, guys. Let's go to Slender Man. Even though we're not gonna use a flashlight, this is a Slender Man. Slender Man. Slender Man.
Guys, he's coming.
Yo, I ain't afraid, bro. I ain't afraid. Kiss me on my mouth.
All right, while they get chased, I'm gonna go over there.
Guys, guess what? With the egg, I should say I had the box thing.
I don't know if you get switch channels. I don't know, but.
Guys, I got the egg. Guys, I got the egg. Guys, I got the egg. Leave it. Guys.
Ooh, Coca-Cola.
Freaking mad.
I actually need
Guys,
the.
mad. He's mad. Guys, what? I want him to crack my neck. I don't.
Need one on. Hey, Pink!
What?
You're just a head now. Anyways, can I show you?
When they used to have
Yeah, this is 2018, guys. Trust me. Don't worry why this is made in 2025. Anyways, you want to see the backrooms?
2018.
Yeah! Follow me!
Slender Man. You Slender Man.
Why do you walk so silly?
He broke my.
Let's go to the backrooms from Timu, guys. The backrooms from Timu's over here. The backrooms from Timu's over here, guys. The backrooms from Timu's over here. The backrooms from Timu's over here. It's over here.
Wait, are you that?
That's actually.
Guys, go first. Bro,
No.
I jumped in.
Is he still coming to you?
Girl. Okay. We're back in the backrooms from Timu again. And we needed some stuff again. You're the Mimic? Who's the Mimic? Where's the Mimic at? I didn't know Mimics came out in 2011. Because this is 2018 and this game came out in 2011. Trust me.
Slender Man used to go viral in 2018 on YouTube. Guys, can you watch Slender Man clapping my cheek?
Hey yo, what? Alright.
My gad's burning, bro.
Yeah, I know. Your gad's burning. Can you scream in the camera though?
Hey! Let's go back.
Slender Man slapped my gat so hard that I died.
Ah!
Yeah, he scratched you in the butt, so you died instantly. Oh my god, it's chicken! Give me this egg!
You want to
I'm just trying to walk, not get sacrificed!
You go to Bro, go! Get it!
chicken jockey.
Yay, we got $63, guys. Oh my god! I didn't know these existed. Oh my god! Orange. Mr. Orange.
Yo, there's Slender Man in the game. Isn't that
bro.
crazy?
Told you.
Yeah.
This is
Biggest update ever.
For real, this is the best update, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Like, come over here.
Wait, come here. Yo. Can you get up in? Can you get up in the highest place and jump on me and scream at the top of lungs?
Wait, isn't this where the lava is? Isn't it?
Yeah, the lava right place. What are you on, man? Take the thing!
Guys, come to spawn. Someone come.